And done. Looks like I'll be just in time for the game. I can't believe how perfect this course load is. Jen really knew what she was talking about. Wow, you're more gutsy than I am. I'd never dare take those classes together. Not after Jen helped me make my graduation plan.
Graduation plan?
You failed your midterm? Man, what are you doing in a Russian film class anyway? Jen said that our History of Creativity class double counts for an Arts and Civ 2 GE requirement. Thank goodness for that scholarship. I never would have qualified without Jen's advice.
Who's Jen?
You know, Jen from the Advisement Center? She's your advisor too, right? You don't look so good. Maybe you should go and talk with Jen. She's a really good listener.
Put your life back into student life with the Advisement Center. They'll help you set and complete short-term and long-term academic plans, make sure you don't miss out on internship or research opportunities, and connect you with the campus services you need to succeed.